10:30. I'm just cuddling with my cat a little bit, and then I'm about to get ready and run a ton of errands today. It's gonna be a little just get everything done day. And Nora's gonna be my buddy throughout it. It's always so hard to get up in the mornings because she's so obsessed with cuddling. And honestly, she's weird for liking that, 'cause normally cats avoid me. But she loves me. She loves to curl up with her mama. I'm in a messy room, but today I'm just wearing this little quarter zip from Under Armour and some Gymshark leggings, hoping to go to the gym later on today, so that's why I'm wearing this. I just have to go throw this in the laundry, and then I have to go pick up some stuff on campus. I just put my stuff in the laundry, and I had to get in my car because I need to drive over to campus, and literally it's been warmer today for the first time in forever, and my car didn't almost stall out on me for the first time in 2 weeks, so it's a good day. I wear my glasses on a day where I feel like I look like crap, I just look that much worse. But honestly, I've gotten to the point where I just don't care, and I'm I'd rather look like crap than be blind. So yeah. I love how just going onto campus to pick up a few things turns into getting groceries and stopping at Bath & Body Works. And now I'm just gonna go to McDonald's, and honestly I'm just gonna get a Sprite and an apple pie. Call it a day. Show you some of the things I got. So here's stuff I got from Bath & Body Works. It's got some soaps. I got Island Margarita, Market Peach, and Orange Sunrise, because I just needed some new soaps for my bathroom and my kitchen. Then I got a little card from some family friends. This is what it looks like. They just gave me a little bit of money, which is nice because I'm going to Nashville in a few weeks with my mom. Then I got another little envelope that I haven't opened. And it's this little Stars Hollow, and it's the If You Jump, I Jump Jack little sticker on it. And then it has this little Stars Hollow little extra, which I think is really... Let's see. A little bra from American Eagle. It's super comfy, wireless. Love these. Then I got my textbooks. The Second Mortgage on Everyone's Home. So the first book I got is Candid or something. I have no clue. I don't even remember which class that's for, to be honest with you. And I got The Burning of the World. Still don't know which class this is for. I don't know which class any of these are for, really. And I got The Prince. I want to say these are for history. And of course I have one of those big literature books for my American Lit class. Then I have Ways of the World. I want to say this is for Western Civilization. And then I have The Year 1000. And I want to say that's the same class. So that's just kind of what I got. This is my laptop case, and I ended up putting the little Stars Hollow right there, and this one right there. As you can see, I have a lot of stickers on here. I have my 5 new ones. This one's from Outlander, Harry Potter. Of course, I got LSU. This is a little boutique one from May. My mom got me more Gilmore Girls. Then iconic. Literally these two. Most iconic. Some sausage. Little corn dogs, while I watch some Jane the Virgin for lunch. This is the best stuff in the world. I am almost out of it. It's about time for mommy to come up and replenish my Dr. mustache. Here, Bean. It's a great shot of you. Are you really being a good kitty? Oh my God. Yes, you are. You're the best kitty. You're my Bean. Your cute pink lips. It's literally so hard to get anything done. She just pops down and sits on my lap and is so warm. So class starting next week, I went ahead and went down and wrote my syllabus for cultural geography. So I just have what all the exams are going to cover. Luckily, I only have 4 exams for this class. I'm gonna go ahead and put these towels in the wash and go grab my other stuff and then get ready for the gym. Flask filled up and I'm off to the gym. Back from the gym. If you can't tell, I'm dying. I did a big weighted workout and then I did some cardio. And I'm gonna go shower now because not only do I feel like death, but I smell like it too. So while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna wash my face with the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. And I'm gonna use the Origins Checks and Balances for all food face wash, and the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cream Cleanser, and that's kind of how I wash my face in the shower. So I just take my shower and I feel so much better. Now I'm just waiting on my chicken to finish defrosting so I can cook that up for dinner. I'm just watching one of Sierra Schultz's vlogs. Get started cooking dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 415. That's why I like take my baking thing, and I'm just gonna really spray it on. I'm like really excessive with it, to be honest with you. Make sure that seasoning gets all over everything. I just like to coat the bottom with some lemon pepper seasoning. That's my favorite seasoning to use on my chicken and veggies. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take some olive oil and coat everything on it. Be nice and oily. I just like olive oil on it. And I really go ham on the olive oil. And I'm gonna go back in with lemon pepper seasoning. I'm really gonna go ham on it, especially on my chicken. And it literally will go everywhere. That's my favorite way to season everything. I'm just gonna put in for 15 minutes. The veggies are finished, and I'm still waiting on the chicken, but I'm gonna go ahead and have the chicken. And I'm so happy to eat it. I finally went and got my laundry out of the dryer. It was cold. I did not want to do it. It was still damp when I went there. So I had to sit in the creepy, quiet laundry room until it was done. And this is why I hate not having laundry in my apartment. I'm in bed, so I'm just going to end the vlog here. So see you next time.